students, so for today I will just give you a brief discussion and explanation on what you will do for your home-based learning there at home about the topic
whole numbers. So in this chapter, you will learn to recognize the place value of each digit in numbers. Second is compare and order numbers. And the third one is to round numbers to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. But for today, we will do the first objective, which is to recognize the place value of each digit in numbers. So let's start. Okay, so I have here the given number. So with digits 6, 8, 9, 5, 4, and 3. So I place each digit in this table. Okay, so just to identify the place value of each digit. So this number must be read as 689,543. Okay, now so the place value of digit 3 is actually the ones in here. Okay, and then the place value, I'm talking about the place value of each digit. So the place value of digit 4 here is the tens. Okay, and then the digit 5 here is in hundreds place value. Okay, the digit 9 here is in thousands, and then the digit 8 here is in 10,000, and digit 6 here is in 100,000 place value. Okay, now so since each digit is actually placed according to its place value in this table, so you could easily get the value of each digit, okay, on this given number. So for example, so digit 6 here. Okay, so what is the value of digit 6 here? So the value of digit 6 here is 600,000, okay, or which is actually equal to 600,000. So using the figures in here, okay, so that is the value of digit 6. Okay, what about the value of digit 8 there? So since 8 is in the 10,000 place value, so the value is actually 8 10,000, okay, which is equal to 80,000, because if you have 8 10,000, so that will be 8 times 10,000, so that is 80,000. Okay, all right, now what about the digit 9 in here? So the digit 9 is actually on a 10,000 place value, so that would be 9,000. So therefore the value of digit 9 on the given number here above is 9,000. All right, now what about digit 5? So since digit 5 is in the hundreds place value, okay, so the value of 5 there is 500, okay, which is equal to 500 or 500. Okay, digit 4, since it's on the tens place value, so that is 4 tenths, okay, which is equal to 40. That is 4 times 10, okay, so that is 40. Okay, of course, the ones place value is actually your digit 3 here, so therefore the value is 3 ones, which is equal to 3 only, okay. So this is actually the partitioning part, okay, if you could still remember, right? So this is the partitioning part. So if you will add this one, so you will get this number, which is 689,543. Okay, so that is the place value of each digit in this given number, and also the value of each digit in the given number in here. All right, okay, so let's go on with the next one. Okay, so the next part here is I've tried to write the given number, which is the number that we used a while ago, into words. Okay, now if the number is written into digits like this one, 689,543 here, so this number is written in figures. Okay, always remember that. If a number is written using digits 0 to 9, how many digits, by the way, in a number system? So we have actually 10, okay, from digit 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digits, okay, that we usually use for a number system. So if it is written, if a number is written using those digits, so the number is written in figures. Okay. Now, if you would write it, so let's try to review how to write the number from figures to words. Okay. So since this one is, you have here digit 689,543. How are you going to write it into words? So that will be 689,000. Okay. 89,000, so just put comma in here, okay, just to separate the hundreds place. So you have 543. Okay, again, so that will be 689,543. 43. All right, now during Zoom classes, I will just give you additional practice on writing numbers from figures to words, and then vice versa from words to figures. Okay, so during Zoom class. All right, all right. Now, so let's have this one. So, what is? There's a question in here. So, what is 100,000 more than 900,000? Right. So that will be 900,000 plus 100,000. So that will give you a million. Okay. So if you will write a million into figures, so meaning using digits, so that would be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So you have 1 and then you have 6 zeros. So the place value of the digit 1, okay, a 1 here, which is the alone here, there's a 1 in here, so the place value there is million, right? So this is how you're going to write million in figures. So that will be 1 million. Now, if it is half of a million, so what is half of a million? So you just divide 1 million, so you have 500,000. Okay, so that will be 500,000. It's a half a million. Okay, half a million, because 500,000 plus another 500,000, that will give you exactly 1 million. So half a million, so that is 500,000. So that it can be written as 500 and then another 3 zeros again in figures. All right, so there you go. All right, now so let's do this question. So when and where do you see millions in your daily life? Okay, so try to answer this one, this question by yourself. Try to think of situations where you see millions in your daily life. Okay, I'll give you time to think and then try to answer it by yourself. All right, so possible answers are actually like in population size, right? The population of a certain country, right? Of a certain region, a certain place, right? It also can be the car values. It also can be in terms of money, right? Especially here in Indonesia. So you're using several digits when it comes to the value of your money in here. So those are the common use, okay, of millions in our daily lives. All right, there you go. So for your home-based learning for today, what I want you to do is to read the Let's Learn Together. So those examples presented in numbers 1 and 2 in there in your pupils book. And also do the Let's Practice questions 1, 2, and 3 only. Okay, so these questions are the questions that you will send to me. And questions 4 and 5 we will do it together in Zoom classes later on. Okay, so these Let's Learn Together and then Let's Practice are on your pupils book, pages 2, 3, and 4. Now if you will send to me your home-based learning for today, or your HBL for today for your mathematics, make sure you will write your name on top of it and also your class. Okay, so your homeroom teacher will send it to me and I know whose work is that. Okay, don't forget to write your name and then your class on the top right side of your pupils book or the page. Okay, all right.
That's all for today. I'll see you again next week. Have a great day and keep safe, everyone.